An upcoming mid-range Samsung smartphone has just been spotted in a fresh leak. A new set of CAD renders recently surfaced of the Galaxy A26, revealing its complete design from the front and back. New phone has a new camera design featuring 3 rear-facing cameras. The camera design appears similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It is also similar to the Galaxy A36 and the Galaxy A56. On the front, Samsung is still sticking to the old notch design for the front-facing camera. The Galaxy A26 seems to feature an Exynos 1280 processor and paired with 6GB of RAM. The Galaxy A26 will have a 6.7-inch FHD Plus resolution Super AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate. Galaxy A26 carry triple rear camera units, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 5-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide lens and a 2-megapixel macro shooter, and 13-megapixel selfie camera. A large 5000 mAh battery should power this model as well, which could support 25W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.